Hello, today I've got a quick and easy project for you using a Dremel Lite cordless and a piece of slate. So this project can be done by a total beginner. I was going to do this, but my wife thought that she would have a go. She's never picked up a Dremel before. Let's see how it turned out. For this project we're using the Dremel Lite 7760, which is cordless, the glass etching set and a piece of slate shaped like a heart that we got from the works. Nicola picked the accessory that she thought would work best for her and we loaded it into the Dremel. I'll drop some links in the description of all the Dremel items that we used in this project. We turn the speed up to setting 4, which is 25,000 reps. This is the recommended speed for this accessory. Nicola pre-drawn on the design that she wanted and started off by making really light passes on the slate. Remember, you can always take off more material. You can't put it back on once it's off, so start off slowly. I was really impressed at how easy Nicola made this look. This was the first time she picked up the Dremel and she just got straight into it. Up a piece of slate like this relatively inexpensively. This was £2 from a shop called The Works in the UK. Now's a good point to remind you to wear your PPE. Gloves, a mask and eye protection are very important. If you've made it this far into the video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. It's really useful for small content creators. Now you can just see her re-going over all the areas that she's already done, just to fill out the lines and to hide the Sharpie marks that she'd made. Should speed things up a little bit. Let's get to the end of this video. See, this is really easy to do for someone with no experience whatsoever in using a Dremel. Why not give it a go yourself? Give it a wipe over and that's job done. Love you.